Good evening, 8th grade. So I've had a couple of you report that you're really struggling with the 7th grade review for 8th graders. So I think I've made some changes that'll make your life a little bit easier. If you're Group A, you'll be doing Group A week 3. If you're Group B, you'll be on Group B week 4. If it's Group A, we're looking at Wednesday. If it's Group B, we're looking at Monday. Click on the day, and you'll start by seeing the instructions. Before, I asked you to use some screen capturing onto a Word document. Now I've made an editable PowerPoint that lets you screen capture right into a labeled box for all of your information. Remember, for this assignment, you had 2 parts, a quiz that's worth 60% and a review that's worth 40%. We're going to look at the review. It's now an editable PowerPoint. So remember, my screen looks a little bit different if it's editable documents, and that's okay. You start by watching all 3 of these brain pops. Here's the password to help you out. Then you're going to, on your screen, see a button up here that says My Documents, and you're going to click on that to open a PowerPoint. If you have trouble opening the editable document, there's a video right here that explains how to complete an editable document. Remember, if you still can't figure it out, then try going into your single sign-on, click on Office 365, logging into that, and then refreshing your Schoology screen. So for this one, you're going to open your PowerPoint. I have to put mine a little bit different since I don't have the student document. You'll see this screen. Make sure if there's a yellow bar that says Edit, you click Edit. Once you start clicking through, it tells you exactly what to put on this slide. Please enter a screen capture of the final picture from the Brain Pop video. And this is the Rock Cycle video. So go back to the assignment. We're going to click on Brain Pop Rock Cycle. Here's our video. You're going to watch the video. I'm going to skip it just so we can get to the end here. You go to the very end, and you're going to do a screen capture. That's different for each computer or device. If you go back to this, you'll see I have a long list of ways to screen capture on your device. You could also simply click into Google and type how to screen capture on my, and enter your type of device. I'm personally using an NV HP computer, so I have a button on mine that says print screen. So I'm going to click print screen. This is the end of the video, so I'm going to go to the PowerPoint, and I'm going to Control V or paste, and there it is. Please drag the corners to make it large enough for my old people eyes to see what you're doing. Then I'll click on the next one, Rock Cycle. Please insert a screen capture of the quiz score from the quiz. So go to Brain Pop, click Quiz. Take the entire quiz, do the screen capture of it, not of this screen, but your final screen with your score. Go to your PowerPoint, paste it onto this page. Then you would go to the next one, Rock Cycle. Please insert a screen capture of the activity you did for the Rock Cycle. Go to Brain Pop, Rock Cycle. You can do any of these activities, whichever one makes you happy. So let's say we did challenge. Click on the one you want to do the activity. Same thing, do a print screen of the finished activity. This one's not finished, yours would be finished. Paste it in. Roll it big enough so that my old people eyes can see it. So remember, if you wanted 100 points, you would fill in all 3 boxes for all 3 movies. If you only want 80, then you just do the first 2 boxes, and if you only want 60, you just do the first box. Then you go to the next set of movies. So we'd see the next Brain Pop link is on Play Tectonics. That's the next link right up here in the assignment. And it's got a different color in the PowerPoint. And then the next one is Relative Dating. And just like we saw, that's linked right here. And you just repeat it each time. Then you make sure to push Submit on your editable document, and you're ready to go.